studying the social health. In the previous video, we had discussed about the firstly the definition of the health, then the factors which are affecting the social health, and the misuse of the social media, that is selfie on the road, where then using the mobile, watching the mobile while eating a food. So these are the bad habits. So due to all this is having the adverse effect on the social health of the person. And this is a smallest chapter among all the chapters, and some of the part is omitted from this chapter, and one of a portion, if you have a book with you, then you can see on page number 105. On page number 105, the cyber crime is given. The whole part is omitted, so we will also omit that part while teaching. And then next part that we have to discuss today, that is the stress management. Whenever we are suffering from the depression or the any stress, then how can we manage it, or how can we overcome it? There are many such ways by means of which we can manage our stress, or the stress management it can be done. We can see sometimes early in the morning some senior citizens, they are laughing loudly. That is also called a laughter's club. Okay, and this is one of the way of the stress management. Then various ways of expressing, that is establishing the communication with the friends, then cousins, teachers, and more importantly the parents. And expressing our feelings with our friends, or sharing with our friends, can also युजफुल इन द स्ट्रेस मॅनेजमेंट. म्हणजे आपल्याला एखाद्या वेळेस आपल्याला कुठल्या गोष्टीचं टेन्शन आलेलं असेल, तर आपण ती गोष्ट आपल्या जे काही जवळचे मित्रमैत्रीण आहे, किंवा आपली आई आहे, मुलींच्या बाबतीत तर आई म्हणजे जवळची मैत्रीण असते, तर त्यांच्यासोबत आपण शेअर केले तर नक्कीच त्या डिप्रेशनमधून किंवा त्या तणावामधून आपल्याला बाहेर पडण्यासाठी त्या ठिकाणी मदत होऊ शकते. त्याचबरोबर फॉस्टरिंग द हॉबीज like singing, then playing with the friends, then that musical instruments, all these hobbies can also be useful to overcome our from our stress. So learning and listening to the music, then singing, it keeps and drives away the stress. Music has the power of changing our mindset. So these are the ways of the stress management. Apart from this, exercise, regular exercise, just morning walk, also the yoga, meditation, pranayam, asanas, all these are useful in stress management. You know very well that when we are doing the meditation, it will increase our concentration. Means for the children's or for the students who are learning, their concentration will also increase if they are doing the meditation. Because of the meditation, our concentration will be increased, and the positive energy will be created in our body. म्हणजे आपण जर एक्सरसाइज केले, किंवा आता साधा तुम्हाला सांगते की आपण मित्रांसोबत जर ग्राउंडवर खेळत असलो, सो इट विल इन्क्रीज द टीम स्पिरिट. टीम स्पिरिट म्हणजे एकमेकांसोबत शेअर करणे किंवा एकमेकांचं ऐकणे. कारण जेव्हा आपण खेळ खेळतो, कुठलाही मैदानी खेळ मित्रांसोबत, तर त्यावेळेला त्यांचंही आपल्याला ऐकावं लागतं. देअर मस्ट बी सम कम्युनिकेशन अमंग द प्लेयर्स. ऑल्सो इट विल इन्क्रीज द युनिटी, अँड इट विल ऑल्सो युजफुल टू मॅनेज अवर स्ट्रेस. म्हणजे आपण जरी खूप अभ्यास करत असेल, तरीही दिवसातला काही वेळ, कमीत कमी अर्धा ते 1 तास आपण ह्या सर्व गोष्टींना द्यायला पाहिजे. सो दॅट वी कॅन ओव्हरकम फ्रॉम अवर स्ट्रेस, और इट विल युजफुल इन द स्ट्रेस मॅनेजमेंट. देर आर मेनी थिंग्स बाय मीन्स ऑफ विच वी कॅन मॅनेज अवर स्ट्रेस. जसं की कोणाला जर स्वयंपाकाची किंवा काही वेगळं करण्याची आवड असेल, कोणाला ड्रॉइंग आवडत असेल, तर ते पण छंद त्या ठिकाणी आपण आपले जे काही डिप्रेशन आलेलं आहे, स्ट्रेस आलेला आहे, त्यामधून आपल्याला बाहेर पडता येते. ओके, नाउ बाय अवर गव्हर्नमेंट there are certain moments, some what happens most of the times the people, they may suffer from this stress, and for this the psychiatrist or psychotherapy is essential for such a people. So for this purpose our government has undertaken certain projects. One such a project is that is the Unified Movement Against Tobacco. Unified Movement Against Tobacco. What is a tobacco? Tobacco. In Marathi it is called as a tobacco. So it is it contains the carcinogen. It contains nicotine, which is one of the carcinogen. It may cause the cancer in the body of a person. And nowadays what is the scene, especially in the slum areas, small children, that is school going children, they are addicted to this tobacco consumption. So to this moment it has been started by 45 different well-known organizations, like that is a WHO, then Tata Trust. WHO, that is the World Health Organization, and Tata Trust, these are the social organizations. And this Unified Movement Against Tobacco has been organized, or this movement has been started, and this movement is active for controlling the tobacco consumption and providing the guidance. It is useful to provide the guidance to activists against the tobacco. This is one of the first one, that is the Unified Movement Against Tobacco. Second one is that is the Salam Mumbai Foundation. Salam Mumbai Foundation. आता यामध्ये मुंबई दिलेला आहे शब्द, म्हणजे हे फाउंडेशन स्पेशली मुंबईसाठी असेल, स्पेशली द स्लम एरिया, यू नो व्हेरी वेल, धारावी. सो those people, this organization, it runs a program in the various schools in Mumbai. मुंबईमधल्या ज्या काही मुख्य शाळा आहेत या शाळांमध्ये हे जे फाउंडेशन आहे हे काम करते टू empower the children living in the slum area in the field of education. Those children who are living in the slum area. slum area म्हणजे काय, झोपडपट्टी विभागामध्ये जे राहतात मुलं, त्यांना प्रेरित करणे, शाळेमध्ये येण्यासाठी किंवा शिक्षण घेण्यासाठी प्रेरित करणे. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोटो ऑफ दिस सलाम मुंबई फाउंडेशन. देन this organization encourages the children to take the education by helping them to improve their health and lifestyle. This trust had used some of the districts in Maharashtra completely tobacco free, and this organization it working in the various, from 2002 this organization is working in various rural as well as urban schools from throughout the Maharashtra. That is the Salam Mumbai Foundation. The oath of the freedom from tobacco, it is in every school. Whenever there is a program, in our school also we had taken, whenever offline school was there, so we had also taken the tobacco oath, anti-tobacco oath. म्हणजे प्रतिज्ञा आपण सर्वांनी पण शाळेमध्ये घेतलेली आहे, जर तुम्हाला आठवत असेल तर. आणि ती जी प्रतिज्ञा आहे ती मी तुमच्याकडून म्हणून घेतली होती. सो दिस इज फ्रॉम द सलाम मुंबई फाउंडेशन. स्पेशली हे जे काही फाउंडेशन आहे हे व्यसनाधीनतेपासून जी काही शाळकरी मुलं आहेत त्यांना वेगळं करण्याचा किंवा त्यांना त्यापासून परावृत्त करण्याचा प्रयत्न करते. दॅट इज द सलाम मुंबई Foundation. Now the last point from the chapter, that is the government schemes. Government has organized certain schemes for to prevent this addiction of the tobacco, and the phone number and helpline number, they are published in the newspaper to help the children who are in distress. Suppose there is a drug addiction in some area, suppose there are large number of small children, if they are eating the tobacco, then the phone numbers are there, then helpline numbers are there. If we contact on that number, then these activists who are working in this foundation, they will guide, there is proper guideline will be given to recover from this tobacco addiction. Okay, so this is the government schemes which are organized, and children's contact helpline number and the proper help and guidelines they are offered to the children. So in this way here we had completed our chapter. This was a very small chapter. आपल्या सगळ्या चॅप्टरमधला सगळ्यात लहान चॅप्टर आहे असं मला वाटते आणि त्यातला काही पार्ट पण शासनाने यावर्षीसाठी तो ओमिट केलेला आहे, त्यामुळे तो तुम्हाला करण्याची गरज नाही आहे. जनरल टॉपिक आहे, अतिशय सोपा चॅप्टर आहे, तरी तुम्ही हा व्यवस्थित करून घ्या. ओके, नाउ वी विल स्टॉप हिअर. In the next video we will see the next one.